Welcome to the Canvas 5. This gorgeous modern farmhouse move-in ready home is available in our gated Canvas on the Bluffs neighborhood at Copper River Ranch, and it's just up the street from the beautiful community park. Plus, this home even features our instant home access system for your chance to take a tour on your own schedule. It includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look inside. As you make your way down the hallway, you'll pass by 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, the laundry room, and extra storage space. And just off the hallway, you even have this tech area or flex space that you can utilize as a home office. Now take a look at this open concept living space that features a spacious great room that steps from this 12-foot sliding glass door, allowing for tons of natural light. And you have this adorable dining space that's connected to this gourmet kitchen that features a large kitchen island perfect for entertaining with beautiful quartz countertops. You have a full subway tile backsplash, gorgeous bright white cabinets, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances including this 5-burner gas cooktop, microwave, smart oven, and dishwasher. And to top it off, you have a spacious walk-in pantry. Now let's take a look at the master suite. This spacious bedroom is steps from this incredible oasis that features tons of white cabinets, quartz countertops, a large tiled-in tub, an oversized step-in shower with seat, and the cherry on top, my favorite room, this amazing walk-in closet. This home features some amazing upgrades and designer options and even comes with this landscaped backyard. This modern farmhouse Canvas 5 move-in ready home is available now in our Canvas on the Bluffs gated neighborhood at Copper River Ranch. It includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, plus has some incredible designer features and upgrades including window coverings and a fully landscaped backyard. And it's just down the street from the gorgeous community park. Contact our Copper River sales office for more information.